Nestled around a seemingly ordinary house at 183 Schaefer Road in Moon Township are an array of nature-centric sensory treats.
I lost my husband in September of 22. The kids brought me up here, and it's been heaven ever since. It's kind of like everyone wins.
There are many delightful gardens, a peaceful trail through the woods, bee houses, water features, and, of course, wildlife.
I shared caregiving responsibilities with my sister when my mother was ill. It was a stressful situation because there was really no support. It was hard to find someone to turn to for help.
This isn't just an ordinary residential property, it's the home of Hope Grows and the Iris Respite House, with a mission to inspire hope through nature while empowering caregivers to seek wellness of mind, body, and spirit.